So this is a busy street. A dancing rabbit. Lovely houses built mostly with local natural materials. Great gardens. A lot of grow your own food, grow your own fuel, living roofs, metal roofs to catch water for drinking. Some do-it-yourself things that people learned on. This is the straw bale house that I stayed in the first time I visited here. Here it's got some settling issues, but it's a really pretty building. This is my favorite, I think. Those are nice straw bale buildings. But this one is lots of fun. The gnome dome. It's a composting toilet. There's an earth bag dome with steps and stone steps to go up top. Just love the feel of this place. Very tiny. But with a lovely feel. With a wood stove there. Keep it warm in the winter. Yes, I got permission to come in. Would be rude to come in otherwise. Love the built-ins of the furniture. Little desk. Little hooks for your coat. I gotta go back up here one more time. Some more work to do on that, but lovely sitting spot on the roofs above these two houses. Got some peas or something on a trellis up there. What a spot to sit though and survey your domain on top of your house. Perfect little spots for these chairs. I like the copper edging on there. And the trees just kind of growing up around the posts, holding everything up. Really kind of wraps the building in such a lovely way. One of those outdoor kitchen spaces I was talking about. And these little back walkways between the roads. This really makes it kind of a village in my mind to be able to walk between the roads. That's a fun building. Ziggy and April built that. It was their first house here. There were some ways in which it didn't work, but it is lovely. Heading up here to the main drag. Takes a lot of firewood to heat a building in northern Missouri. Stay tuned.